CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
ka regional committee ga pet ya ka West Coast Hills region ka bala khlie da menteri ka sarkar jila uba Renikton el Tongkhar bat uba H Brol ding nongsi ha ka khanyo trek ujili arajar arpuar kila hiar Jurip ya kisurok bala sya penjulor ha ka Mariang ha West Coast Hills district ha Eastern West Coast Hills district bat ha South West Coast Hills district ha ka Jingjulor lalap babun tili jaka bat kisurok kibala jot namar ka jinghap kendo bat bakasurok kabala khamjulor bha kadai ka Eastern West Coast Hills district ha ka bakasurok kala dekut sendon bat omla syu banyak kali kawai pat kasurok belasyak penjulor ha kibor ka Mariang kadai ka badan ha South West Coast Hills kabadai kasurok ka peniso ya ka Senong Mawkyrwat syangun raw bat kani kasurok ru kala dekut bat om long syu banyak kali kat hadu bakala bu jing e sikat dai kipat ba nong Senong jong kani ka than ha ka Jurip eksurok apo Eastern West Coast Hills district lasa kilang da UMLA ka mautha Raishan uba H Brolding nong sen badai ru menteri ka sarkar bat nakalian jong ba Brolding ulaong ha ka dai bat kini eksurok kila persang ban pha da ki scheme ki badai jong ka World Bank bat nak scheme RIDF hari hadu menta kimpat la ban mang pisah.
We are here this evening at this village called Renikton. We have come along with Brol, my colleague in the cabinet, my colleague in the assembly. He is also my very good friend, and as a member of the regional committee to monitor the calamity that has taken place in our region, in West Coast Hill region. Myself as the chairman and all the MLA of the 3 districts are the members of this committee. I want to give a special thanks to Brol who have responded at a very short notice when I came to know that the road has been washed away at this village. I called him in the morning and I'm very happy to hear the response from him that he said that he has sent the machine to clear even the landslide that has taken place in all this stretch nearby villages where we have seen while we are coming on the way. Lots of landslide has taken place, and I must thank the estate engineer, SEO and JE that they have responded quickly to send the contractor to send the JCB to clear the landslide. I was informed this morning that this location may not be possible to pass, but I have seen today we are still passing, we are still using this road. But I request the estate engineer, since we are here with the local MLA of this constituency, Mawkyrwat, that they need to restore back this road as urgently as possible to see that this road is usable by the commuters, because this road is very, very important to connect Mawkyrwat constituency and this Mawkyrwat constituency, also to go to the main road of Shillong Nongstone Road. So it is very, very important to understand, and I request the department to restore this road back as soon as possible. Once again, I want to give a special thanks to Brol who has been with me. This is the first visit of this committee constituted yesterday, and this is the first visit, the first location that we come along with Brol in his constituency. And I'm going to go to another 2-3 locations also in the district of Southwest Coast Hill. We are here in Eastern West district, the new created district, and now from here I'll be going to Southwest Coast Hill.
Sebenarnya kubliyau MLA jong ka Mawkyrwat bolong u minister jong ka PHC bolong u member but u chairman jong kani ka disaster department hakan ka por ban page ban jingo jingjot jong pra jong kani surok bungi bakane surok u kadai ka badon kambha bolong ka link road iya ki lightly district ka Eastern West district but ka Western but ka West Coast Hill district kane surok kadai badon kambha but ila persang ru ban ha de scheme napo ka World Bank but juru na ka RIDF scheme ni kelampan yo sanction hadu menta Renikton kan pelat ini surok ru ban punyo sanction no markadau kadai ka connection yakini kilai pilih district Barkum juru ngasrum na kublai ibarat ni ibala kloy banman bat inspect ya kene kejaka belajot bela perakat ni buat ngangik ba yang ba kajindor kat i berkat esku jingi badon nang kor beli i ngila ban repair kloy kene kat bala ba nang ba kaya ke yang jong pai ba jong kini ki light district kam don ke jiwet nang ni semat kini kide ki jing ke bangi kenduk ha ka ba kajing dia ha koslap bajur ha kene
Wan penjungo akadim jong ka lip committee ka West Hazil Region Committee ha ka baide bat ka jing penjat jong ka Mariang yaki jaka kaleng ha ka ki light district kemudian menta ha ka district Southwest Hazil ha ka ke Chinong ka Surok ban Chingon Rao ka bahap ha ka Renikton constituency ini ke jing penjat jong ka Mariang ha ka ba ka la Jingjulor ha ka jaka kamtam dari Surok kaba la pentekut don ya ka communication ya ke ya ti jong ti pai pa jo ke Chinong ngon raw ba ko we don syu da ko we pat serok panlek ko Chinong raw kumbalong menta la disconnect back ke Chinong ngon raw da ke jingdu jo ke surok bat kaba ima kalong ba watang man ya breuru idon lapsu utang man ya breuru ta kalong ba ima idon hani rang ba Chinong raw sekretari Chinong rekap beri hang ni bat nilai keren bentang basnong dak kerpat bah kilat tinti ngan sayok beri keren ru administration ban thawlap thawlunti ban chna dak wei pekanti namar kanon ke ima ban yat negeri jaka ke patiyat namar kala ang lepa I ke ban kalon no sakani galiang ke baki yat ki bru kanon ke ima dengan sayok ban keren sudah damit ban nak ke department le ke penudi dan nak ke nutrisi office ke thawlap ban chna alenti nak wei pat nang baka nombuk jigma ya kibru ke bayak nak kena kunti. Nak bagi page nang ni kalau I kencar bersena kena kenro ngan siap beri keren badu engineer hak jing sampang jung ki engineer lah kalau suk bersena ka jingking ne karang suk hi bersena ka kenro bara oleh mereka dei ka feeling ka kendo ko feeling nak mentua bat kalau sejor lut kena jaka barok ketuk buat kena jaka ke bagian kalau sejor jadi berkata ngan saya keren engineer dia kata barok kumno bande jadi ingin sapasang man hau karat nanti pun keluar kabala nang ba kaji tom di pagba song di song raw kan ba kiliyo kam keluar ka surok ka kiliyo alpoi selection